Well, hello. Come on over here. What we've already done is we've drained about 3 or so gallons of water out of the water heater. I had a little hose hooked here down to the floor drain. I turned the control for the gas onto pilot. I've turned the water off to the water heater. I opened up 2 hot water valves, one there and one in the bathroom. I have shut them off now, so they are ready. I have wrapped the Teflon tape around the new rod, and so I think I'm ready now at this point to take the rod out. So I'll get the drill and come on over and take a look at that. We have it set up with the 1 1/16 drill bit. It's ready to go. I got it turned on reverse, so it will reverse. So we'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, I'm putting the socket on the old anode rod, and then I'm going to put the drill down on it. So now we are ready to try to take it out. So it'll be a little noisy.
It looks like you're like at a crooked.
It's all right. Okay, I got to stop for a minute. It is tight. So you can turn that off for us.
You got an extension is what you got.
Yep. All right, ready?
Yep, we're going.
So here we go. Oh, that wasn't that good.
What was that?
Your battery fell out.
Okay.
All right, now I've got the battery back in there. So here we go.
Does that mean you're having success?
I think that it was turning. So let's see. Or else I lifted it off there. Oh, it's bent it. Okay, turn it off for a minute. I think I broke it.
It broke
Yeah,
out?
I think so.
What part broke?
The top of the screw from the bottom of the screw thing.
Oh. It wasn't recording. No.
So come back over there. Okay, are we recording?
Yep.
Okay, I think we got it. Here is the old rod coming out.
Boy, for 20 years old, that's not too bad. Maybe you should put it back in for another 20 years.
Wow. All right, you can turn that off. Here, come on over here and get a picture of this rod.
Okay.
So here's the rod. That's all that's left of it. I was surprised. I didn't think that we'd get that out of there, but we did.
Lucky us.
Okay. Now you see the opening where the old rod was taken out. I took a paper towel and tried to wipe that out a little bit so that it's a little cleaner. I have got the Teflon tape already around the new rod, and so we'll get that and we'll start putting it in, and we'll be back in just a minute.
Okay, there's the anode rod.
So here's the anode rod. It's much shorter than the old one. So I'm now going to try to put that in here. We got a lot of Teflon tape on there.
Are you screwing it in?
I'm trying to, yes, but it's not quite ready yet.
Why, you gotta get it cleaned out?
Okay. So now I will be back with my wrench. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I can. See, I can't get it. Okay, recording.
Doesn't look like you're getting it down anyway. Or is it gonna be up that high?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh. What?
It screws on. Good. Okay. So are you stopped now? All right. All right. I think we have tightened this down very solidly, and I'm ready to put the water back on and make sure we don't have any leaks. So that's what we'll be doing next. I'm going to get the drill out of the way.
Got any leaks?
Don't see any yet, but
Maybe.
the tub's not completely filled up just yet.
Yeah, and you haven't got it turned upside down either.
No, I didn't turn it upside down to see if there was any leaks. Right. So, okay, we'll stop for a minute.
Okay.
So it looks like we've got it all inserted and properly into the water heater. Now I have to flush the system a little bit, run some hot water through the spigots on the wall, and then we have to hook the electricity up to this thing. So we'll be doing that in just the next part. Okay? So what I've now done is I've shut off the water drainage from the tank. I turned the temperature control on the thermometer on the controller for the gas input into the hot water heater.
Did you take it off pilot?
It's on burn now, ready for the burner to work. I went to the hot water valves that I opened up and shut them, made sure that they were off tight, and then I turned the water on. That filled up the tank. Now I've gone over to the hot water sink faucet and ran it until it was coming out solidly. So we've got water pressure in here. We've checked the top part to see that there's no leaks, and we don't see any leaks at this time. So I'm thinking that's good. So now the next thing we've got to do is we've got to hook up the power supply for the new anode rod. I will set this down here just out of the way for a minute, and I'm going to go up and tape the electric cord out of the way. So when we get going a little farther, we'll show you a picture of that too. I'm right now removing a screw from the top of the water heater because that's where I will connect part of the wiring. So here's the wire and here's the screw, and I've got the screw going back into the hole now. Okay, that's got that on there. So now I have to go out there and do a little more taping up. You can turn that off a bit. Okay. All right, now I am taping it up to this cold water pipe. I should be good there, I think. Okay, I got that up there. I got the other end of the electric cord hooked onto the anode rod, and now we're ready to plug it in.
Should I get out?
So here we are with the plug-in. And that says when you see a green light, that means that it's working. So I believe that we just finished the job. I don't think we have anything more to do. Now we should be able to have nice clean area in the pipe here, and we're happy. So,
And we're done.
yep, there we are. We're all finished up.
Okay.
So
Thanks for being with us.
thanks for watching.